everyone. Today I would like to introduce you Venn diagrams and two other keywords what are union and intersection. But let's start with Venn diagrams first. Who was John Venn? He was English mathematician and he invented a way of representing sets in diagram form. So what does it mean? We do it by overlapping circles. So let's draw two overlapping circles. This is circle A and circle B. A, B, C are elements in A set and D, C, E are elements in B set. As you can notice, C is an element in A and C is an element in B. And this graphical representation of set is called a Venn diagrams. So we have two sets here, set A and B. In set A we have 1, 5, 7. In set B we have 7, 2 and 4. And we need to represent the sets A and B on a Venn diagram. So we have two circles, overlapping circles already, and we need to start with looking at the numbers, in this case looking at the elements of the sets, and we need to check are there any elements common in both sets. So are there elements the same in set A and set B? So we have 7 in A and 7 in B. And if an element belongs to both sets, we position it in the middle section, what is called intersection and means between. So let's write it down. 7 in the middle. And as you can see, 7 is in A set, this is A set, and 7 is in B set, what is here. So we need to put it in the middle, in the intersection. Then 1 and 5 in A set, and 2 and 4 in B set. And our first keyword today is intersection. So what is intersection? Intersection is the part between two sets. The yellow part in here. So in this case, this is the set of all elements which are common to both set A and set B. And notation for intersection is A intersection B. So you can notice it's like upside down U. And this is symbol for intersection, so you need to take it down to your copies, the definition, the diagram, and the symbol. The next keyword is union. What does it mean in general? So if you look at this photo, you can see this is a photo of a European Union map, and you can see all the countries included in European Union. So every single country in here is included. So we have Poland, we have Ireland, we have Italy, Germany, France, and so on. So that means every blue country is included. So union is everything, every blue country. So what does it mean in our Venn diagrams then? If you look at our sets, our circles, you have circle A and circle B, and both of the sets are colored in yellow. What does it mean? This is union. Everything what's in A and everything what's in B. Like a marriage, union. Okay, so notation for union is A union B. And this is like U. And this is the definition of the union. So you need to take down the definition, notation, and draw two circles and color them in, please. Let's do the first example then. So we have set X, what is 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have set Y, what is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have our overlapping circles done. And the first question is represented the set X and Y on a Venn diagram. So let's start with it. So first of all, as we said before, we need to look at set X, Y, look at all the elements, and there are any elements common in first and second set. So 6 and 5 is common, so let's put it in the middle. 5 and 6. And then what do we have in X? We have 2, we have 3, and we have 4. So as you can see, this is set X, and set X includes 2, 4, 3, 5, and 6. Let's look at the other set Y. So we have 5 and 6 already in here, as this is set Y. So we need to add 7, 8, and 9. The next thing to do is list the elements of X union Y. X union Y. This is union, so as we know, union means everything in X and everything in Y. As we know, union is also a set. So X union Y equals curly brackets for set. So everything was in X and Y. So we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's it. Then the next thing is list the elements of X intersection Y. Intersection means between, the middle part. So this is the middle part, this is intersection. So X intersection Y equals curly bracket, this is a set. So 5 and 6 altogether. Okay, this is example number 2. So we have set A and we have set B. And in set A, our elements are crocodile, lion, sheep, dog, and fish. And set B, our elements are elephant, bird, dog, fish, horse, and a cat. So first thing we need to do, we need to complete the Venn diagram. So do we have any common elements, the same animals in set A and in set B? So we have fish and a dog. Yes, that's it. So we need to place them in the middle part, in the intersection. Okay, now we need to look at set A and we need to state what's left. So we have crocodile, lion, and sheep, and they go here. Okay, so our set A is fully done. Now we need to look at set B. So we have dog and fish done. So we have elephant, bird, cat, and a horse, and we need to place them in this part. Okay, so our Venn diagram is done. Everything is listed inside. Now what we need to do is list all the elements in union and list all the elements in intersection. So let's start. In union we have everything was in A and everything was in B. So we have crocodile, lion, sheep, dog, fish, elephant, bird, horse, and a cat. Now we need to list all the elements in intersection. So intersection, between. So in middle part we have just a dog and a fish. So for tomorrow you need to be able to explain me the keywords union intersection. You need to represent a given set on a Venn diagram. Using Venn diagram, list all elements in union and intersection. So this is a union, intersection, notation A union B, A intersection B. So remember, take notes and study before tomorrow class. See you tomorrow.